About Virtual Academy, let's solve one more problem. Let's talk about fish in this case, right? What should be done? How can we solve a similar problem in the proficiency exam? David helped his father stock the pond with baby catfish and bluegill gill. They put in a total of 75 fish. If the number of bluegill was double and the number of catfish triple, there would be 175 fish in the pond. How many catfish were put in the pond? Okay, that's the answer. How can we solve it? Well, first of all, as usual, you guys should look for, facts in here, right? What do we have? Well, we have baby catfish and bluegill type of fish. We need to find the number of catfish. Okay, so that's our variable, and I will name the baby catfish C and the bluegill G. Okay, what is the first statement that matters for me, right? The first fact: the total number of fish put in the pond here, which means all the catfish and all the bluegill, right, together will make 75. So C plus G equals 75. Now, the second statement that matters to me says that if I will double the number of bluegill, right, and I will triple the number of catfish, then I will have 175 fish. Well, let's try that as an equation, okay? Which means what? Well, catfish triple, that will make 3 times the amount of catfish that I, was stocked in the pond, right? And then the number of bluegill will be doubled, that will make 2G, right? And that will give me a total amount of fish of 175. And this is your system of equations that you have to work with two variables, catfish and gill, right? To find how many catfish, my best approach, well, that's in my opinion, you guys may have a better way, would be to eliminate G, right? And to do that, my goal would be to make 2G in the first equation, and I can do that by multiplying everything in the first equation by 2. This way you will get an equivalent system where you will have what? First equation, 2 times C will be 2C plus 2 times G, 2G equals 2 times 75, which is 150. Second equation does not change, everything stays the same. As you guys can see, if I will subtract the top one from the bottom, right, 2G will be eliminated. And then I have what? 3C minus 2C will be 1C. Basically the number of catfish that I'm looking for. This one right here. And that will be 175 minus 150. And that equals 25. And I'm done. The problem doesn't care how many bluegill were added, although you can say right away that there were 50. You have answered the question that asks you to find the number of catfish. 25 catfish were added to the pond. Got it? Now this is one way. You guys may have different other ways. Choose whichever you remember during the test. Make sure you're filling in the bubble and move on. Thank you.